What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm going to be giving an update on Algorand. Make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. No.
So just to give a little recap, this was Algorand in my previous video. It was trading at just over 17.5 cents. And I called out the massive Class A bullish divergence. And I said based on that alone, I wouldn't be surprised if we actually get a bounce. However, I was warning that price action was trading beneath the 50-day moving average. So we need to be very careful that we do not have a bearish retest. Fast forward to the current Algorand chart and price action continued to pump and we got right back above the 50-day moving average. That is a very good sign to see. So had you guys bought Algorand at that time, you could have made about 15% gains in 5 days, which are actually incredible gains. And if you enjoy making gains in the crypto market, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. But I'll go deeper into the Algorand chart at the end of the video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. So Algorand had gotten back above 20 cents, but it has recently broken right back beneath. Now the market cap is 1.6 billion, which ranks 53rd among all cryptocurrencies. And then their circulating supply is just over 8 billion out of a max supply of 10 billion, which is about 80.5% in circulation. And if you guys are looking to trade Algorand, I recommend using Binance or Coinbase. I think those are the two easiest centralized exchanges to use. But now we'll go ahead and take a look at the Algorand Foundation X account, which has 151,000 followers. And they reposted on February 17th an interview that Stacey Warren had with AJ Wrights Crypto. Now, I'm not going to show you guys this interview because the interview is about 55 minutes long. However, if you guys are interested in the overall status of Algorand, then I recommend checking it out. It's actually a pretty good interview. And then they posted on February 16th. Today was an exciting day at the WPF Innovation Accelerator Pitch Day. Algorand-powered payments app HisabPay was featured as an innovative tool to reach thousands in need with cash transfers. Real-world impact starts on Algorand. So as usual, it's a good thing to see that Algorand is getting their name out there. As most of you guys know, the crypto market is heavily driven based on hype and speculation. And obviously one of the best ways to create hype is to teach people about your project. But this is actually their last post since my most recent Algorand video. So now we'll go ahead and hop into some macro news that could affect Algorand's price action, even though it's not directly correlated to Algorand. So this is Watcher Guru's X account, and they posted 21 hours ago that a US congressman says that there needs to be a vote on legislation banning Congress from trading stocks. Now let me know down in the comments, do you guys think they should be banned from trading stocks? I think I know the answer for most of you guys. And then because this is funny, I'm going to show you guys this post February 17th. Bitcoin is up 112% since Jim Cramer told investors to sell 11 months ago.
Bitcoin went up today, and I could argue that now it can't even be held in banks. Bitcoin's a strange animal. I will say point blank, I think it's being manipulated up. It was being manipulated the whole time by Sam Bankman-Fried. So please don't assume, therefore, that it's not still being manipulated. And I would sell my Bitcoin right into this rally. And believe me, I had been a believer one time in Bitcoin. Not here, not now.
And now it's quite nice seeing Bitcoin sit at $52,168. And then lastly, they posted February 15th. Federal Reserve Governor says, I don't want banks holding large amounts of crypto ETFs. Now, I've talked about this in several of my previous videos. And I think the biggest question is whether or not he's actually anti-crypto or he's just anti the crypto ETFs. But anyways, while we're on X, you guys should come over and give your boy a follow, at Crypto Now or Never. As most of you guys probably know, I've been trying to grow my X account recently, and I'm constantly calling out projects and opportunities that I'm seeing in the market. So I definitely recommend giving me a follow. I think you guys will get some useful information. But also, if you guys wanted to take it a step further, I actually have an opportunity for you. So I have a private Discord through Patreon. And at the current moment, I have 3 different tiers that you guys can join. But there are many benefits to joining my Discord. For example, this is going to give you guys closer access to me. And you guys will be able to track the cryptos that I'm personally buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold. Not to mention I have an amazing community that is also calling out fantastic projects. And just to show you guys some of the gains that we have been making, we made 132% on GOQ in 13 days, 158% on AGI in about a month, 55% on S&D in 10 hours. And then the last gains I'll show you, I posted a buy alert from Mine Token and we made 554% in 9 days. To put this in perspective, had you invested $10,000 into Mine Token, your $10,000 would be $65,400. So if this sounds like something you guys might be interested in, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage and it's also in the description of the video. But now for the final part of this video, we'll get into some technical analysis. So this is Algorand on the daily time frame. And as I said, had you guys simply bought Algorand and just held it during the last video, you could be up around 15% right now in 5 days. But anyways, what am I seeing right now? So the first thing is that the RSI and stochastics are both getting pretty overbought. Now, I'm sure a lot of you guys that watch my videos are aware that I love to trade falling wedges, as they break up 68% of the time. The issue is that right now you could argue Algorand is forming a rising wedge, which break down 68% of the time. It is the complete inverse of a falling wedge. So based on that alone, I wouldn't be surprised if we actually drop in the short term. And this has a measured move down to just over 17 cents. Not to mention, if you look at price action, we swing from a higher high to a lower high. The RSI is lower high to higher high, which is a very strong Class A bearish divergence. So honestly, based on everything I'm seeing right now, I won't be surprised if Algorand retraces a little bit in the short term. But on the other hand, I want to be crystal clear. If Bitcoin continues pumping, then I won't be surprised if Algorand also continues pumping. Now, lastly, we will take a look at Bitcoin. So after our bull flag broke out perfectly, I was saying that we need to see price action close a candle above this previous local high. And obviously at this point, we have easily done that. However, now the RSI and stochastics are extremely overbought. So when I see something like this, I would start to draw some sort of a bull flag for Bitcoin. And while this flag started to fill out, the RSI and stochastics would start to reset. And then price action could possibly come down and touch the 21-day moving average as support. And the other thing that I want to show you is that on the weekly time frame, Bitcoin also has a massive Class A bearish divergence. So very similar to Algorand, I won't be surprised if we actually drop in the short term. And realistically, it would make sense to get a retracement before the Bitcoin halving. But either way, I'm not going to lie, this is very exciting to see. It is awesome that we have finally gotten an explosive move for Bitcoin. It's crazy to think that we are back above the $1 trillion market cap level. But as I say in every single one of my videos, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So just understand, crypto is still an extremely volatile asset class. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Algorand will go next bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.